We already have a detailed video on our YouTube channel on the synthesis of thyroid hormone. So that's why this one I'm just giving you guys like an introduction. That's more of like we have already done it before. So I'm just bringing it again because we are still going to discuss thyroid disorders. So at least I should refresh your mind on the how the thyroid hormone is being synthesized, so that at least you can still remember one or two. So for the introduction, I'll be very quick because I already have a detailed video on what thyroid hormone synthesis. So first of all, you eat food that contains what iodine or iodide, sorry. Now, dietary iodide is transported into the gland. This is iodide. To move into the gland, this is iodide, this is iodide. Hope you have followed to that point. Next, there will be conversion or oxidation of this iodide to iodine by the enzyme known as the word thyroid peroxidase. Now, this iodide will be converted to what? Iodine. And the enzyme right here is for thyroid peroxidase, though not labeled. Now, next, this iodine will bound to what? Thyroglobulin through a process called organification. And the iodine will now be converted to what? Monoiodothyroxine or diiodothyroxine. Okay, so this iodine can be converted to either diiodothyroxine or monoiodothyroxine. Then next, there will be organification, which is catalyzed by what? This thyroid peroxidase again. Now, if monoiodothyroxine, which is 1, combines with diiodothyroxine, which is 2, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. You have triiodothyronine. If diiodothyroxine and another diiodothyroxine combine, 2 plus 2 is what? 4. You have thyroxine. As simple as that, right? So the combination depends. You could form T3 or T4. Okay, so now about 99% of T3 and T4 are protein bound. Binding proteins include things like thyroxine binding globulin, prealbumin, and albumin. Now the quantity of T4 that is produced is what? 20 times that of T3. T3 is however more potent and accounts for almost all the effects of the thyroid hormone in the body. Okay, so now that means if this T4 is not really potent, that means for T4 to become potent, it has to be converted to T3, right? Okay, so there's a peripheral conversion of what? T4 to T3, sorry, by liver, kidney, muscles, okay? And there's also peripheral conversion of this T4 to T3 by the what? 5, the iodinase type 1. Okay, so that's just a summary to the physiology of what? Thyroid hormone synthesis.